Hey everybody, welcome back. I just wanted to let you know you're looking at ambassador right here. Yes, I'm an ambassador. Of what? I'm a Maker's Mark ambassador. What's that mean? Well, an ambassador, depending on the definition you look up, is a spokesperson for a brand or something. So Maker's Mark made me an ambassador of their brand. Now, what's it take? It's actually absolutely free. I'll leave a link on how to become an ambassador right down in the description. Check it out. But when you become an ambassador of Maker's Mark, it's actually kind of exciting because you actually get to name your own barrel of bourbon. Here's mine right here. Check this out. So when this barrel matures, the best part is they bottle this with a special label with my name on it. And what does that mean to me? Not a whole lot. I can buy a couple bottles or maybe even the barrel if I want the whole thing, but they send me a Christmas gift every year. And this year, I got a little card that says, when they said deck the halls, we took it literally. Now, it's got a little note in it, which is really cool, but the most important thing is they sent me a deck of cards. When we said deck the halls, we mean it literally, right? Deck the halls, a special deck of cards. Now, this isn't just any deck of cards. This is actually a very unique deck of cards. Check this out. So let's get this deck of cards open and check out what I'm talking about. All right, they give you a wax card and a wheat card. I'm not going to read all that, but if you want to pause it and check that out, read it yourself, that's pretty cool. 2 jokers, those are pretty cool. Maker's Mark unique jokers. And as I look through these, the aces all have a recipe on them. So this one's for an old fashioned, the ace of spades, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Face cards are really cool because they got kind of like a little cool thing on here. And then Jack, Queen, there's an ace. Oh, a Manhattan on this one. Pretty cool recipe. So all the aces have recipes. All the face cards have something unique. Either way, this is a pretty cool gift from Maker's Mark. I'm an ambassador. Now, you can become an ambassador if you want. Like I said, I'll post a link right down here in the description. Become a Maker's Mark ambassador today. Now, I didn't really start drinking bourbon and scotch till probably about 2-3 years ago. My barrel is 3.9 years old, so I guess almost 4 years ago. Now, the reason I became an ambassador is because I went to an event that we call Scotch Saturday. Now, I have a video of Scotch Saturday, so check that out. I'll post that down in the description too. But I tasted a bourbon this year that I liked, and it kind of reminded me of the Maker's Mark Ambassador Program. And because of the mail and COVID and everything, I got my gift late, which I went out and bought this. This is Maker's Mark 101. This is a limited release, and it's 101. So it's basically over 50% alcohol. So it's 101 proof, 50.5% alcohol. This is actually pretty good stuff. So I bought a brand new bottle. I'm going to try it out. Their ambassador program's working because they gave me a deck of cards for free, and I bought a bottle of bourbon. So anyways, Maker's Mark Ambassador Program's pretty cool. If you go to the distillery and take a tour, I'm told if you tell them you're an ambassador, you get something a little extra special. I'm not sure, I haven't been there yet, but that's what I'm told. So we'll see. Anyways, that's the program. That's the fun. Check out the links. And I appreciate you watching this video. Please click that thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos, and leave me a comment. I mean, I'm going to open this and taste it. I'm probably not doing a video on that, but I can. If you want me to taste bourbon and do it on a video, I'll taste it and review it for you. So leave me a comment. At any rate, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.